Bullet time, a visual effect made famous by the 1999 blockbuster film The Matrix, has implications well beyond Hollywood. GTRI researchers have developed a new optical tracking technology called Bullet Time that uses a LiDAR system to track small airborne targets in crowded environments. The research could help protect warfighters against the recent surge in unauthorized drones that are becoming increasingly difficult to identify and address. Bullet Time also provides an alternative to fire control radar, or FCR, that are susceptible to advanced countermeasures. FCR are vulnerable due to their unique identifiable characteristics such as radio frequency and pulse duration that help adversaries identify the radar and the type of weapon system they control. Bullet Time won a GTRI IRAD of the Year award in fiscal year 2021 and has already been incorporated into sponsored projects. In Atlanta, I'm Anna Akins with the Georgia Tech Research Institute.